Hey, what's up crew? What's up people? I'm back at it. We're going to be checking out some Supreme shorts from their last sales item from the fall winter 2021 and some Yeezy 700s from, what do we call it? Yeezy Day? Yeah.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit.
Alright, first things first, make sure you do subscribe to this channel. Hit that like button to show you want me to make more and more content, showing you guys legit items, legit Supreme items, Yeezy, Kid Cudi, Travis Scott is a big icon of mine. I'm opening up right now the very final week of the spring-summer collection. These were some shorts that actually went on sale. This color sold out really fast. It's this dusty pink almost, or pinkish color. In here, nothing else in the bag. Let's see, what's in here? You got a sticker? Yes, Supreme did give us some stickers, a couple of box logos. Supreme is really great about always giving you stickers with your order. I was thinking this pink might work with this shirt, and it's about right. I mean, this is kind of more of an orange or salmon. This one's more of a pink or a dusty almost. What do they call it? Yeah, they just call it pink. These are the cargo water shorts. That's what they are. I thought it was kind of cool with all the pockets. And for $88, hard to beat. Looks like we're set up with a little label for the water shorts. And yeah. Let's go ahead, open these up. Wait, let's see how long they are. These are some Eric Emanuel and the double layer shorts. Yeah, so these are going to be basically the same length as Eric Emanuel shorts or lacrosse shorts or, I don't know, swim shorts. This plastic is like doubled down and sealed, and as I'm taking it apart, it's just tearing the plastic, so I guess we're just tearing this one open. Little fold-over tape stuff just stuck, just sealed completely. Whatever, that's a little side thing. You guys don't even know about that really, but anyways, in here we have a piece of tissue paper. Keep everything all nice. Looks like it's Supplex. We have a zipper pocket on the back. Oh look, this little key pocket on the front on the inside. That's kind of nice. There is a net in here, Supplex or whatever tag. It's right on the Supreme tag here. Gotta love it. Just right on there. Size small. What does the Supplex say? Bunch of info. Here's our Supreme tag as well. That's the back side. Well, that's the back of it anyways. There's the front. And then we have our two pockets on the side, no zippers on those, but along the leg, on the side of the leg, you do have a double pocket on the right side. So you got one on the top here, and then just a mini one below. They do have little drain holes for the bigger pocket. These little drain holes are sewn in, so that big pocket will drain out, but this smaller one, I don't know. It doesn't look like it's sealed or anything. Yeah, so that one's just gonna fill with water if you leave it open. On the other side, we just have the one big pocket, and does have those air vents in there, or water vents or whatever. So yeah, when you rise up out of the liquid, you're not full of water liquid in your pockets. So anyways, these look like they're a pretty good size. They're not small at all. They're almost oversized if anything, but they are cargo shorts. I mean, they're swim cargo shorts, so I thought they might be a little bit smaller. They are fairly wide-legged, so we'll see how they fit. You guys tell me what you think. I'm wearing right now a size small Eric Emanuel double layer. They're a few years old already. I do have other Supreme water shorts, and maybe I should have worn those ones in this video, but these ones are going to basically fit like all the other water shorts, I feel like. So you can check out my previous videos for some of the other water shorts, but here's these pink cargo ones. Alright dudes, these breathe so nice. There's like so much air in them, I feel like, because they just got a lot of width to them. Being cargo shorts and all, you can really fill that pocket in with so much goodness. I mean, that's what everybody wants to do with shorts, right? Just load your pockets. So as you're walking, you've got some good looking saddlebags or whatever. I heard somebody use the term saddlebags, so now it just makes me think of cargo shorts instead of thighs. Anyways, I think these go pretty well with my Pharrell Human Races, these Motherland ones from long ago. Actually, they're not that old, honestly, but it's been a few years and time just seems like it goes by and it's like so far away once it passes. But what do you guys think about those new Pharrells? Those all blue ones. They're looking like a Yeezy. I mean, I understand the heritage behind it. I really like the story that they connected with it and everything. The story sells a lot, but they really just look like Yeezys and they're just all blue. I don't know. I mean, they're not that much like a Yeezy because they don't have like the piping on the side of the sole or whatever. I don't know. Adidas is really leaning on their most successful silhouettes and trying to just kind of put them everywhere. But I don't know, maybe you guys are really into those Pharrells, those human races. You know, they're all right. I haven't seen them in person. Obviously, not many people have, but whatever. Let's get into the 700s. I think that's what these are. I think that's what they're called. Here's the bottom of the box. See the little Adidas symbol down there. And come on. Yes, they are 700s. 700s made by Adidas Yeezy. Oh, they're already opening up. Here's our label on the box. Very important to see, right? Maybe. And then just the box in general. Let's go ahead. What do we got in here? We have our second set of laces. So these have infinity lace on them originally. And if you want to have like original laces or regular style laces, they got them for you in here. And then the actual shoe, yes. I did have these before. I have had them in the past, but they were not exactly the same. These ones here actually have blue glow in the dark, and the last ones were green that I had. The Alvah, I think is what they were called, and these ones are called dark glow. Okay, well, the glow on them is blue. This webbing here, when you really ignite it with light, you can't really tell. But if it was dark, if I turn the lights off, then these would be all blue. So let me give that a try. We'll just see if it works. So I don't know if these are really that visible. If you can see the glow, I can't see any glow. So I think they need to charge a little bit more. Where's my light? All right, well, these definitely glow blue, but then they still have all that same color as the Alvah. I really can't tell much of a difference. My other Alvahs, I did longboard in those quite a bit. They were really fun. They stayed really nice. The bottoms didn't wear out really fast. You can't skate in them because you can't do anything with this front toe box area. Just, I mean, it looks amazing. It looks great. I love the design of this sneaker. It's just, they did a great job, and I was really content with paying resale when the Alvahs came out and I wasn't able to grab them. These ones, I got them on Yeezy Day for retail. So I don't know, I'm moving soon to Hawaii, so I'm trying to get a bunch of white. Stay away from as much black because I used to be into really buying a lot of black. I don't know. It's just a good color for me, I guess, or a good color for everybody, right? But I am probably gonna just let these ones sell because I've already had them and I was just lucky to get them. And that's just how the game works. You know, you gotta trade around to get the ones you actually want. There's no way I ever would have been able to afford these Travis Scott lows if I wouldn't have been trying to get Yeezys for retail. This is kind of how the streetwear community works. This is how we vibe. We just trade around shit. And we cool with it. So one other cool thing that I've been rocking lately at work is this Dime Ripstop pullover. I work at the post office, and so my clothes get pretty destroyed, so I gotta be really careful about what I buy. I mean, obviously I tear up shoes all the time. I needed like a light rain jacket. It really compresses down and it's like, takes up like no room in my backpack, but it is not waterproof. After a little while, my clothes underneath were getting pretty wet. Dime, size large. And I know. Dime is a skateboard company from Montreal. See, there's another tag in here. So there's the front of that tag in there and the back. Yeah, you know. This one's kind of cool because it does have the front flap pocket with a zipper for the top. But then it also has these ones on the side as well to get inside of that little white pouch there. And this is just a nice pullover just to block yourself from the wind, get yourself out of the elements a little bit if it's a little bit breezy, chilly. We drove this little yellow Dime tag on the, what is that, the right side? Yeah. The hood is kind of cool too. It's got some good color blocking on there. Under the arm is white. So this one I just picked up from somebody who was selling it used. You can find Dime used now. Sell Dime. I'll buy it from you probably. I mean, I shouldn't make any promises, but if it's like the right color, if it's the right size, if it's the right time for me to need a new Dime shirt, and yeah, obviously I'm gonna be picking those up. So definitely check the streetwear market out there, see what items people are letting go of, because some of the things I've wanted in the past, maybe you were after in the past, later on down the road, you can pick those items up and be able to rock those things that you were a little bit jealous of in the past. So anyways, what sneakers are coming out in the near future? I think there's a bunch of Dunks. Dunk High Light Chocolate, Dunk Low Red Plum, Dunk Low New York versus New York, Dunk Low, I guess this is a grade school one, a pink one. This Acid Wash Dunk High 1985. Another grade school dunk low. Looks like they're gonna have some good colors for kids. Maybe it's not gonna be a full family size run for some of these ones. This woman's dunk low. This one is really dope. I like this, what is that? Pinkish and then gray. Some good colors together. So that's over this next few days and they're just gonna keep coming up. So I'm still waiting for my off-white dunks to come in. I'm gonna be so happy to unbox those, and I'm hoping that, for a good number with some good colors. I mean, I know it's just gray and white, but that little tab, little thing down at the, you know, all those little accents on there besides the white and gray really make the shoe. I'm hoping it's suede because they have just the smooth leather on a bunch of them, and then they have suede, which I think the majority of them are suede, but it might be 50-50. I really don't know yet. They're still releasing, and I don't think all the numbers are even out yet, or they probably are, honestly. They're probably all out there, and they've got 100 of each. But as more numbers come up, as more available, definitely be checking GOAT. I've been looking over GOAT the last few weeks just to see the prices of these off-white dunks, because I've been wanting to get a pair because I didn't think I was ever going to get them on the sneakers app, but my luck did change. I was able to snag a pair somehow with all of the browsing I've been doing on the sneakers app. Literally, that's the only way you can get in through the sneakers app now, is you've got to click on their like videos and scroll through them as if you're, you know, chilling on Instagram or Twitter or something. Or I guess people still use Facebook, right? That thing is getting a lot of ads lately. Jeez, man, they are bulking up. But anyways, I will have those off-white dunks hopefully in the next video. Have some Supreme. This first week of Supreme, I did grab a t-shirt from all the t-shirts that they dropped. I was able to grab the one I wanted in the color I wanted. I tried to go back in to get the pink boxer briefs, but unfortunately they were sold out. I was able to get the purple ones last year, so I've got their first color, but the pink ones, they're gone. I might order them from like StockX or from eBay or something from a trusted seller later on if I really want them, because I don't know if they're going to release again. And they're really not that high of a value item. Like, they're not a high price item. It's just kind of cool to have some different color boxers that say Supreme on them, you know? Why not? And then also Palace dropped on Friday and they had some cool t-shirts. I did grab their Dawn to Dusk. Yeah, that Palace Triferg looked really dope. So it might be a good one for Hawaii. I was postponing my move because I was thinking this Keep Your Sanity game was just gonna take off and be super amazing and everybody was just gonna go crazy about it, right? But that did not happen. This game is maybe too soon. Well, I know it's too soon because people just aren't ready to play a game about 2020 when it just happened and a lot of people went through some hard stuff. Most people did. So it's all about getting to know the other people in the group that you're playing with. Keep Your Sanity is just based off of the currency of the game, which is sanity is the currency of the game. I mean, in 2020, everybody was fighting over their sanity. So it is a good game, but I think I'm going to regroup, maybe come back again with it next year, or maybe the next couple of years. I'll just keep coming back with it because I got a 5-year provisional right now for all the rights to it and everything. So I guess I'm really new to the board game world, and there's a certain way you're supposed to do things, and all these board game companies that are already established have created this culture that's very specific. So I'm gonna try and come back with this game, getting some more professional board gamers to review this game. So if you know any, DM me on Instagram. I may even send you a free copy of this game if you want to play it, play some videos and whatnot to your board game loving crew. But yeah, that's a whole world that I do not know a lot about, and I can say that honestly right now. Like, I just didn't know what I was getting myself into when I decided to invent a game with Abby and get a patent and all that stuff, go down that road. But hey, I'm working hard. I'm finding ways to make money on the side. So we did spend a lot of money on that whole process, but we're gonna keep plugging along, just keep taking more steps forward and closer to that end goal, which is me surfing every day. Yeah, that's the goal. That's why I'm growing out my hair. You guys like it? I'm gonna be a surfer, dude. And I'm gonna learn a bunch of Hawaiian. Yeah, mai ka'i, mai ka'i. You guys know what that means? Look it up. All right. Oh, I did tell you guys in the last video that I had like a lot of depression and anxiety 2 weeks ago. I'm totally past that. It's feeling a lot better, but you know how that is, where sometimes it can be a week, it can be a month, it could be longer, maybe shorter. But it was like a good week almost, and I just could not get out of the funk. I was so like wrapped up in my own head, and it was a lot about this. It was this game. I was stressing about it because it wasn't doing what I thought it would, whatever I thought it might potentially do. So that was causing me a lot of stress just because you know, I poured a lot of myself into that thing, and to see it, you know, just totally crash and burn on the first try, it was tough. So I definitely had a lot of depression. I had suicidal dreams. I had so many tough situations that I had to apologize for afterwards for the people that were around me, because yeah, I was maybe unbearable. But just know, everybody falls apart sometimes. Everybody, you know, gets to a point in their life where they just feel like nothing's working and life is crashing in on you, and there's just nothing you can do about it. Like that's normal, and you just have to work past those feelings. Sometimes it takes days, weeks. I don't know if there's an easy fix for these types of things. I know that pharmaceuticals do not work, so don't go that route. You can listen from countless people who have been on pharmaceuticals to try and deal with their mental states, and I don't know, maybe for some people it does work, but I'm just gonna stick with weed because it's chill, and hey, I'm in Montana, it's legal now. So love y'all, peace out.